What's going on YouTube? Landon Huffman here, back with another video. It is race week. Actually, tomorrow's race day at Hickory Motor Speedway. Putting the final touches on Frankie here. I've got some sponsor announcements to make in this video. I've got decals to put on this thing. If you remember in one of my last videos, I had to rewrap the right recorder because we put a white quarter panel on it. So I've got decals to put on that. So a bunch of cool stuff in this video. I've also got another t-shirt here that I'm going to show you guys that is a racetrack exclusive. So a lot of cool things in this video, getting ready for tomorrow's Twin 40s. Remember, you can watch all the action live on Flow Racing. Now, those of you that are checking out the channel for the first time, I really do appreciate it. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. As always, I've got the goods. Check it out, our brand new racetrack exclusive Landon Huffman base team tee, I guess you could call it. It's inspired from an old Davey Allison 90s shirt. So really excited with how these came out. Red, white, and blue. And it's got the old Frankie number 75 machine on there. So really excited to get these to the track, get these in you guys' hands. If they sell well at the track and there's a lot of you guys or enough interest from you guys online that want these, I may potentially do an online drop, but as of now, these are racetrack exclusives. So if you're in the vicinity, come on out to Hickory Motor Speedway this weekend, next weekend, whenever. Enjoy some good short track, hometown racing, and snag you a t-shirt. Massive shout out to my boy Dylan over at One Wraps for taking care of us on the decals as usual. But we do have a new look for the lower quarter this week. I've got some new partners to welcome on and thank them for all their support of what we do here at Huffman Racing. But we also made the decals look bigger, or made them bigger so that they look better and are more visible. But Dylan also owns Forward Drive Creative. You've seen some of his edited clips that we've used in the vlog here. So if you are interested in any racing related videography, photography, stuff like that, make sure you hit up Dylan over at Forward Drive Creative. So now we've got a Forward Drive logo for the lower quarter. You guys already know the Dusty Pete's Gifts and Collectibles and Burnt Rubber Media logos that were on the car for opening night. We've made those bigger. Those are going to go lower quarter. And we are also welcoming another sponsor for the lower quarter portion of the race car. They're also going to do some stuff with us on the Pro Late model. That is Roasted Gems Coffee. They are a online coffee store. Shout out to Brandon over there at Roasted Gems. He's going to do a lot for us here at Huffman Racing. He's been a big supporter of what we do. We're going to get him on the race car, and he's also going to be on our Pro Late and do some stuff with Travis whenever Travis races as well. But I'll drop a link to his shop in the description, and also I will pin a comment down below with all of these guys, or all of our partners' websites. So shout out to Roasted Gems. We're going to get these on here along with these other quarter decals, and then I'll show you what else we have for the right side. Huge thank you to all of these companies for supporting what we do here. I'm also very excited to bring on board my buddy Tyler Young over at Young's Transportation. You guys probably know him from Young's Motorsports. Tyler's a hell of a dude. I got an opportunity to drive his truck in 2019, filling in for Spencer Boyd. And we had a pretty decent run, finished on the lead lap. But Tyler, those guys are great people over there. Kelly, Tyler, and everyone at Young's Motorsports. But he has a new endeavor called Young's Transportation. So we're going to take care of my guy. Get him on right here behind the number on both sides. Nice big logos. So guess if you have any transportation needs in the racing industry, hit up my guy Tyler Young. Brand spanking new, boys. Aha. All right, we got a nut and bolted. Pretty much everything's done. I still got to get together all my stuff to load into the trailer since we're not taking our normal trailer this week. But I'm going to go ahead and set it on the ground and be done with the race car. I got to clean the hood still too. She needs a good wipe down, and then we'll be ready to rock and roll tomorrow morning. I do have to put the spacers in that thing whenever I set it down, so she's gonna look funky once she's on the ground, but gonna do that and then make sure I have everything ready to load, and then we will be done for the night. She's ready to rock and roll. Now I gotta get my radios out, get them on charge, make sure I have everything here, and then I can go have a few beers at the brewery, you know, to hydrate for tomorrow night. Well, I think I got everything I need. I do need to get 2 new wheels because I forgot that we bent those other ones to mount for race tires tomorrow, so I'm gonna do that. But other than that, ready to load her in the hauler tomorrow. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Just a little preparation video, and I wanted to give a shout out to our new partners. But thanks for the support of the channel. As always, you guys are helping us absolutely kill it, so I greatly appreciate it. Remember, Flow Racing tomorrow night. If you're interested in watching us run twin 40s at world's most famous short track, Hickory Motor Speedway. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. God, I forgot my t-shirt. I gotta go back down there and get it. Thanks again, guys. Y'all have a fantastic evening, morning, night whenever you're watching this, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.